How will we ever recover from all of the snow? What are we gonna do? Possible 11 inches. We'll never survive. It's actually snowing now, like a good bit. It is like 1:30 now, so I'll check back in later and see how much we got, but it's actually coming down now.
Mom?
Yeah.
I'm a sub gaining.
Hold on, we ended up with a lot of snow, huh?
Mm.
When it first started snowing, we put a piece of black construction paper in the freezer, and then we went and caught some snowflakes, and the kids could look at it under a magnifying glass and see the details of the snowflakes. You making your snow angel?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that little angel.
Let's see how it turned out. That looks pretty good.
That looks so good.
I didn't know ambush will.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm born ready.
Drive
back to my vlog. Today I'll be falling off of the solo. I'm falling.
I can't.
Oh, God.
You're gonna fall up, people.
Sights. All right, solemn. Solemn. Wait, first turn, second. First turn.